Camping is all about escaping the weight of the world and feeling light, free, and adventurous. And that's exactly what the Jayco Jay Feather Air delivers. This lightweight, smooth fiberglass travel trailer is designed for couples and families who love to explore without being tied down by a bulky tow load. So today, we're diving into what makes the Jay Feather Air the perfect travel companion. We'll start with the interior features, move to some exterior highlights, touch a little on construction, and finish with towing recommendations to ensure you can hit the road without a hitch. Yes, pun intended. All right, let's jump in. Since Jay Feather Air models are compact by design, the living area and kitchen seamlessly blend together, making the space feel open and efficient. Right away, you'll notice light walls contrasting against deep, rich furniture, giving it a modern, stylish look. The residential tan vinyl flooring ties it all together, keeping the space clean and inviting. But style is nothing without comfort. The 4-inch high-density dinette cushions make mealtime more enjoyable, and in some models, you'll even get jackknife sofas with TV trays or bar stools for a more relaxed seating arrangement. The 13,500 BTU roof-mounted AC ensures you stay cool, but if you're the type who likes things extra chilly, you can upgrade to the 15,000 BTU Mach Quiet Series AC for superior cooling power. When the temperature drops, every Jay Feather Air is equipped with a high-output auto-ignition propane furnace so you can keep your feet warm even when the air outside gets crisp. Privacy and climate control are also built in with decorative roller shades featuring a reflective barrier, working alongside the dark tinted safety glass windows to keep the summer heat at bay. For added airflow, a 14-inch Max Air power roof vent circulates fresh air while keeping the space feeling open and breezy. A compact trailer doesn't mean sacrificing a great kitchen. The residential-style seamless countertop with a decorative backsplash provides ample prep space, while the stainless steel sink with a fold-down faucet and glass top keeps things sleek and functional. The Envision appliance package ensures that cooking on the road is easy and efficient. The convection microwave speeds up meal prep, while the 2-burner high-output cooktop lets you whip up everything from pancakes to pasta. Keeping food fresh is no problem either, thanks to the impressive 11 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. It's plenty of room for everything from road trip snacks to campsite feasts. Storage is another strong point in the Jay Feather Air's kitchen. The oversized cabinets with screwed and glued cabinet styles offer durability, while the handcrafted hardwood doors and hidden hinges give them a refined high-end look. The full extension drawers, capable of holding up to 75 pounds, make it easy to store heavier kitchen essentials without worrying about sagging or sticking. When it's time to unwind, the Jay Feather Air keeps you connected with an LED smart TV standard in every model. Whether you're streaming movies, catching up on shows, or just watching the game, you're going to be covered. The bathroom in the Jay Feather Air is designed for maximum space efficiency. Instead of a bulky shower door, you get a roller-style pull-screen shower door, a simple space-saving touch. A skylight in the shower provides extra headroom while flooding the space with natural light. And forget about running out of hot water, because the Jay Feather Air comes standard with a 60,000 BTU tankless water heater. Whether you're in a campground or boondocking with a 55-gallon freshwater tank, you'll have the luxury of a long, comfortable shower. The reinforced shower pan keeps things sturdy as well, so you don't feel like you're stepping on shaky ground. The seamless countertop in the bathroom continues the residential feel, housing a stainless steel sink with an elevated gooseneck or a high-rise faucet. A 14-inch power roof vent ensures that steam and humidity don't linger after a hot shower as well. Since space is premium, the bedroom flows naturally into the living area while still offering privacy and comfort. Depending on the model, you'll find a queen bed, or you can opt for the Murphy bed system, which is a sofa by day, bed at night setup that maximizes your space. Storage isn't an issue either. Underbed storage is available in every model, and wardrobe options vary from mirrored closets to overhead cabinets, shelves, and drawers. At the head of the bed, USB ports and power outlets are built in, making it easy to charge your devices overnight. If you have bunk beds, they're reinforced to handle up to 300 pounds for twin beds, meaning that they're built to last. The wide aluminum solid steps make getting in and out safe and easy, reducing the chances of slipping or misstepping. The powered tongue jack at the front makes hitching and unhitching a breeze, and you have the option to upgrade to larger propane tanks from 20 to 30-pound bottles for extended off-grid camping. The Lippert quick drop stabilizer jacks work 3 times faster with a power drill, making setup effortless. And storage is accessible and convenient with slam latch baggage doors, and the power awning with LED lighting provides plenty of shade. Want to watch TV outside? No problem. The exterior TV bracket with a 120 volt and cable hookup lets you bring the entertainment outdoors. The automotive style aluminum rims and nitrogen filled radial tires keep the ride smooth and efficient with an app monitored TPMS or tire pressure monitoring system to alert you of any issues. If you're planning to boondock, the rugged off-road tire option is a great upgrade. At the rear of the Jay Feather Air, you'll find an 18-inch wide ladder for roof access, a 2-inch receiver for bikes or gear, and backup camera prep. Solar power comes standard with the Overlander 1 solar package, which includes a 200-watt panel and a 30-amp controller. But you can upgrade to the Overlander 2 for an 1,800-watt inverter and a second 200-watt panel. The Jay Feather Air is equipped with Jayco's Climate Shield insulation system, meaning it's tested for extreme temperatures from 0 to 100 degrees. Insulation in the floor, front wall, and roof, plus forced heat ducts into the underbelly keeps the holding tanks from freezing in cold weather. Jayco's Stronghold VBL construction ensures durability with double-sided Asdel composite walls, an aerodynamic aluminum front cap, and impact-resistant wheel wells. The Magnum Truss roof system with a PVC roofing membrane makes the roof walkable and extremely durable. Okay, let's get into towing. With dry weights ranging from 3,600 to 4,400 pounds and lengths between 20 and 23 feet, towing is a breeze, but you'll still want the right vehicle. So larger SUVs like a Toyota Sequoia or Jeep Wagoneer handle towing these pretty darn well. Depending on your gear load, midsize SUVs like the Ford Explorer, Jeep Grand Cherokee, or Kia Telluride can also tow the Jay Feather Air comfortably. For trucks, pretty much any midsize pickup, like a Chevy Colorado or Ford Ranger, is up for the task. As always, if you're unsure about your vehicle's tow capacity, swing by Camping World, and while you're there, you might as well step inside a Jay Feather Air to see if it's the perfect fit for your next adventure. Happy shopping and happy camping.